Hello everyone, in this tutorial I discuss about classification of cables. So cables for underground service may be classified in two ways according to first one is type of insulating material used in their manufacture and second one is the voltage for which they are manufactured. So however the later method of classification is generally preferred according to which cables can be divided into the following groups. First one is low tension. In short, LT cables. This used up to 1000 volt. And second one is high tension. In short, HT cables, and this used up to 11,000 volt. After that, the third one is supertension cables. In short, ST cables. So it's from 22 kV to 33 kV. Clear? And fourth one is extra high tension. In short, it's called EST cables and is used from 33 kV to 66 kV. And the last one is extra super voltage cables. It's used beyond 132 kV. So that's are the classification of cables: low tension, high tension, super tension, extra high tension and extra super voltage cables. So a cable in use for this cable, a cable may have one or more than one core depending upon a type of service for which it is intended. It may be single core cables, two core cables, three core cables, four core cables, etc. For a three-phase service, either three single core cables or one core cables, three core cables can be used depending upon the opening voltage and load demand. So that's are the classification of cables. Thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.